In the bustling world of projects, deadlines, and teamwork, staying organized can feel like navigating a maze. Emails get lost, files become scattered, and knowing who's doing what can be a constant source of frustration. This is where project management software steps in, acting as a guiding light to bring order and efficiency to the chaos. Among the many options available, Basecamp stands out as a popular and user-friendly platform. But what type of software exactly is Basecamp? Let's dive in and explore its core functionalities and how it helps teams collaborate effectively. At its heart, Basecamp is a web-based project management and team communication software. Think of it as a virtual office space designed specifically for teams working together on projects, big or small. It provides a centralized platform where all project-related information, communication, and tasks are organized and easily accessible to everyone involved. Unlike some more complex project management tools that focus heavily on intricate scheduling and resource allocation, Basecamp takes a more holistic and communication-centric approach. Its primary goal is to streamline collaboration, improve transparency, and ensure that everyone is on the same page throughout the project lifecycle. To understand what makes Basecamp tick, let's break down its key features and how they contribute to effective project management. 1. Project organization. Basecamp allows you to create individual projects for each initiative your team is working on. Within each project, you can organize all the relevant components, keeping everything neatly separated and easy to find. This eliminates the need to sift through endless email threads or search through shared drives for specific files. 2. To-do lists. Breaking down large projects into manageable tasks is crucial for progress. Basecamp's to-do lists feature allows you to create and assign specific tasks to team members, set due dates, and add notes or attachments for clarity. Team members can then check off tasks as they are completed, providing a clear visual overview of progress. 3. Message boards. Say goodbye to cluttered email inboxes. Basecamp's message boards provide a dedicated space for project-related discussions. Instead of scattered emails, conversations are organized by topic, making it easier to follow the flow of discussion and find specific information later. You can post updates, ask questions, share ideas, and provide feedback, all within the context of the project. 4. File sharing. Sharing and managing project-related files can often be a headache. Basecamp simplifies this with its built-in file storage. You can upload documents, images, videos, and other relevant files directly to the project. These files are then easily accessible to all team members, eliminating the need for emailing large attachments or searching through multiple cloud storage services. Basecamp also keeps track of different versions of files, ensuring everyone is working with the latest information. 5. Real-time chat campfire. Sometimes, quick questions or informal discussions are necessary. Basecamp's campfire feature provides a real-time chat room for each project. This allows for instant communication and quick clarifications without interrupting the main workflow. It's a great way to foster a sense of team camaraderie and address urgent matters promptly. 6. Automatic check-in questions. Staying informed about individual progress and potential roadblocks is essential for project managers. Basecamp's automatic check-in questions allow you to schedule recurring questions for team members. For example, you could set up a daily check-in asking, "What did you work on today?" or a weekly check-in asking, "What are your priorities for the week ahead?" This provides valuable insights into individual contributions and helps identify any potential issues early on. 7. Scheduling. While not a full-fledged calendar application, Basecamp offers a scheduling feature where you can add important dates, deadlines, and events related to the project. This shared calendar ensures that everyone is aware of key milestones and helps in coordinating activities. 8. Progress tracking. Basecamp provides a clear overview of project progress through visual indicators and summaries. You can see how many tasks have been completed, what's currently in progress, and what's still pending. This allows project managers to monitor the overall health of the project and identify any areas that might require attention.